However, there's latest news also coming in that the meeting has now ended. We are waiting to hear more on what is exactly transpired. Poulomi, are you getting a sense the meeting seems to have ended right now?
That's right. What we are in fact learning is that as far as the meeting is concerned, there has not been any major breakthrough, but the government is, of course, proposing a few amendments as well. As far as the APMC is concerned, that is something, the APMC aspect of the contentious aspect of it is something that the government is willing to make a proposal on.
Okay.
And, but as far as the demand for...
Poulomi, would you stay on with me? Would you stay on with me? I just want to take our viewers through the latest news break that is coming in. Well, at least the sources suggest right now that the meeting has been completely inconclusive between the farmers and the government. The government proposed that a proposal will be sent to farmers on APMCs tomorrow. However, and that's the operative line, the government will not roll back the laws. This is something the farmers were sticking by. Mind you, let's hark back to the before meeting reactions of all 12 union leaders, where they had walked into the meeting saying that it's all or nothing. They still stick to that all three laws need to be taken back. But what's emerging from the meeting, which has ended right now, is that the government is open to proposals, especially on APMCs. The meeting has been inconclusive, and the government has made it very clear they're not taking back the laws. Am I correct, Poulomi? All right. Poulomi, are you still with us?
Yes, Preeti.
So, Poulomi, this is what seemingly is coming out of the meeting. The government's very firm and clear, not taking back any law.
No, the government has again reiterated its position, and this time it has come from, of course, the number two in government, the Union Home Minister, who told the farming community leaders, the 13 leaders who attended this meeting with him, this 3-hour-long meeting, that there is no question of the government, I beg your pardon, withdrawing these 3 farm laws. It's absolutely out of the question. Yes, we are proposing a few amendments, maybe, as far as the APMC aspect is concerned. That is what we're hearing so far from our sources. And what Mr. Hanan Mollah, of course, was saying over there is that the government is going to come forward with a proposal, put it down in writing for them to consider, and then get back to the government.
The writing was something which was anyway offered to the Akali Dal, that the MSP, the APMC clause could be given in writing, and the Akali Dal at that time had left the alliance with the BJP. Having said that, Poulomi, has any more ground been conceded than the last meeting, which was inconclusive, or pretty much the reference points from the last meeting to this meeting remain the same?
Well, like you heard from Mr. Hanan Mollah itself, it is a big step that the government is now willing to give down in writing the amendments that they are proposing. It's not just verbal. They're not just saying that, okay, we could do this, we could do that for you. What they're saying is that we'll give you a proposal. It will be on paper. You will go back to your colleagues, to other leaders of the community that is protesting. Go back to them, consider those proposals, those changes that we're willing to make and concede, and then come back to us. So it won't just be verbal anymore. It's not something we're going to tell you we're going to consider on your behalf. We're telling you we can do this for you.
What's coming in right now, Poulomi, is that one of the proposals is on APMCs. Anything on the biggest sticking point, the MSP?
Well, so far, we've not heard anything from our sources within the government on whether they are willing to put MSP down.
उनका प्रपोजल यही है कि इसमें जो सुधार चाहते हैं हम करने को तैयार हैं।
सर, अलग-अलग मुद्दों अलग-अलग लोग आए थे या मतलब एक ही साथ सबके सारे किसानों की मीटिंग हुई?
नहीं, हम 13 लोग थे।
सारे
केवल 13 लोग जो कोर कमेटी का है। ठीक है।
All right, we're going to try and get in as many reactions that are coming in on this. Let's quickly get our viewers up to speed with the latest news break. So what has happened in the last 20 minutes? The government has been locked in talks. Primarily, the Home Minister presided over this meeting alongside the Agriculture Minister. He spoke to 12 farm unions. The proposal given is that we're going to give you in writing. We are proposing certain amendments, which includes the APMC. We're going to try and get into larger information on what exactly was discussed. But yes, APMCs, that they would be strengthened, was a part of the proposal. The farmers still now maintain all 3 laws would be taken back. It seemingly suggests that the meeting has been inconclusive, has hit a stalemate. We're going to try and get more reactions from all the other farm union leaders as well who were inside that meeting. The meeting has ended as these farm union leaders filter out, we're going to get a larger understanding. There is a cabinet meeting in the morning. However, because the farmers still haven't really given any guarantee to the government, the cabinet meeting would not be able to make any amendments, if at all need be. So it seems right now, and I'll bring in my colleague Poulomi Saha back into this conversation, that Poulomi, the stalemate seemingly continues right now. Nothing conclusive to offer.
Well, yes, the stalemate continues, nothing conclusive, but this is definitely pretty some movement forward. Mr. Hanan Mullah himself was saying at that point of time that after as many months since the farmers started protesting, has the government finally conceded some ground and said, okay, we're willing to give it to you in writing, that these are the changes that we're willing to make in case of, in view of your misgivings about these three farming laws and the concessions that we're willing to make. So that is movement forward itself. Now, the Union Home Minister Preeti stepped in because of the fact that, you know, over the past 5 meetings, what we've seen is absolutely no movement forward. It was a constant set of meetings. The farmers stuck to their grounds. They even held up placards asking the government ministers to say yes or no. That was the conclusion of the last meeting. So it was clear that they were digging their heels in and they were not relenting. But then the government today has said, okay, fine, we're willing to make some changes, but there's absolutely no question of us withdrawing these three farming laws. Now, the fact, Preeti, that the Union Home Minister has stepped in only goes to show that the Prime Minister himself at that level stands concerned by how things are going as far as this entire agitation is concerned, and he wants a solution, he wants a resolution to this crisis.
Well, the resolution seemingly not in sight. Poulomi, now there is a cabinet meeting, yes, tomorrow morning. Nothing officially was said, but primarily, if one is to conjecture, it was to make those amendments which possibly could, in terms of agreement, could have been reached today. But that hasn't really happened.
Preeti, our sources maintained throughout, as we learned about the cabinet meeting tomorrow, this was the routine cabinet meeting. Every Wednesday, the Union cabinet meets, and this was routine, and there was nothing on agenda as far as the Agriculture Ministry was concerned. They maintained that the Union Home Minister is in a meeting, locked in a room right now with these 13 farming community leaders. So clearly, nothing is being worked out right now in order to put before the cabinet tomorrow morning itself when it meets at 10:30 a.m. So it was not on the anvil, but like you told our viewers as well, it's not like we've seen any breakthrough, and we will see something come up in possibly an urgent or emergent cabinet meeting later this week or so. It looks like it's still going to take at least a few more rounds of meetings between, of course, the Union Agriculture Minister and Piyush Goyal, that set of meetings that is to happen, that meeting that is to happen tomorrow, and then, of course, if at all, another round of meeting with the Union Home Minister. But that looks very unlikely. I guess he's stepped in. He has put across his point over 3 long hours. It was not... initially it was not the plan that he would come to Pusa himself in order to address these farming leaders. He was going to do it virtually, but then they insisted on his presence, which he obliged them with. So this is as far as the government is going to go. It remains to be seen if this breaks the deadlock.
Well, Poulomi, would you stay on with us? So we've had one farm union leader who came out and seemed to suggest that the talks have hit a deadlock. Mr. Hanan Mullah is the General Secretary of the All India Kisan Sabha. Let's listen in to him.
मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि हम कल आपको लिख के एक प्रस्ताव भेजेंगे जो एपीएमसी ओ एसडीएम का पावर ये सब जो उठा है सवाल हम लिख के दे देंगे, आप इसको विचार करो, करके आओ, फिर परसों हम पे चर्चा करेंगे। अमेंडमेंट की बात वापस करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। हम बोला ये 5 दिन से वही एक ही बात चर्चा होगा, नया बात लिखिए कि क्या दो रहा है, तो इसलिए हमारा कोई भरोसा नहीं है ये इसमें। मगर लिख के देंगे, मगर कल हम देख लेंगे क्या लिख के देंगे, मगर हमारा अगले मीटिंग में जाएंगे क्या नहीं जाएंगे कल तय कर लेंगे।
कल की मीटिंग होगी?
नहीं, कल का मीटिंग नहीं होगी।
I want to connect right now to my colleague Himanshu, who's joining us from the venue where this meeting has concluded. Himanshu, सब inconclusive रहा, deadlock चल रहा है अभी भी। Exactly सरकार ने क्या बोला, किस चीज का प्रपोजल देंगे, आप हमें थोड़ा बता सकते हैं उसके बारे में?
देखिए प्रीति, ये 5 दौर की बैठक
जो है बेनतीजा रहने के बाद आज छठे दौर की बैठक हुई, जिसमें 13 किसान नेता आए। एक छोटी जो है मेंबर्स की कमेटी बुलाई गई थी आज, जिन्होंने बात की और सरकार की तरफ से ये प्रपोजल दिया गया कि हम कल आपको कुछ नए प्रपोजल देंगे, आप उस पर जो है विचार विमर्श करने के बाद परसों मिलिए। तो ये तो है कि कल की बैठक जो है अब वो नहीं होगी। जो हनन मुल्ला जो इस बैठक में थे, उनका ये कहना है कि सरकार की तरफ से अमित शाह जो हैं आज वो बातचीत कर रहे थे और उन्होंने कहा कि हम आपके पास कल एक नया प्रपोजल भेज देंगे, आप उस पर चर्चा कीजिए, उसके बाद जो है हम परसों जो है फिर से सरकार आपसे बातचीत करेगी।
एक चीज तय है कि कल किसान और सरकार के बीच में कोई बैठक नहीं है, वो बैठक अब परसों है और कल सरकार एक प्रपोजल भेजेगी किसान यूनियंस को।
बिल्कुल, किसान यूनियन को एक प्रपोजल भेजा जाएगा और उस प्रपोजल पे चर्चा करने के बाद जो है किसान यूनियन जो है वो चर्चा करने के बाद परसों जो है वो सरकार के साथ एक बार फिर से बातचीत करेंगी। लेकिन बड़ी बात यह है कि सरकार की तरफ से इस नए प्रपोजल में क्या होगा, क्योंकि सरकार ने पहले 5 जो पॉइंट हैं उनको मान लिया था, उन पे ये कहा था कि हम उनके लिए तैयार हैं, आप अपने किसान आंदोलन को जो है वो वापस ले लीजिए। लेकिन बड़ी बात यह कि उन 5 प्रपोजल से पर सरकार किसान संगठन मानने को तैयार नहीं थे। उन्होंने कहा था कि तीनों बिल जो है वो वापस होने चाहिए, तीनों कानूनों को जो है वो वापस लिया जाए। लेकिन मैं आपको बता दूं कि अभी हनन मुल्ला जो है, जो उस कमेटी में थे, उन्होंने ये साफ बाहर आके कहा सरकार जो है तीनों कानून को वापस लेने के पक्ष में नहीं है। और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि अगर पक्ष में नहीं है तो कैसे नए प्रपोजल में ऐसी कौन से बिंदु होंगे जिनके जरिए किसान संगठनों को मनाकर जो है वो ये जो आंदोलन चल रहा है इसको समाप्त कराने की कोशिश सरकार की तरफ से लगातार है।
हिमांशु, जो 5 बिंदुओं पे बात होगी, 5 बिंदुओं पे प्रपोजल दिया जाएगा, इसमें एक तो एपीएमसी है, क्या एमएसपी एक बिंदु है?
देखिए, एमएसपी पर सरकार ने पहले ही कहा था, हम लिखित में आश्वासन देने को तैयार हैं कि एमएसपी जो है वो जारी रहेगा और एपीएमसी एक्ट जो है, मंडियां जो है वो जो है वो बंद नहीं की जाएंगी। साथ ही साथ सरकार ने ये भी कहा था कि हम जो है आपको जो पराली जलाने को लेकर फाइन है, जो एक एनवायरनमेंट से रिलेटेड जो बिल है, कैबिनेट ने उसको 2 वीक पहले जो है वो पास किया था, उसमें हम विचार कर सकते हैं। और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से संबंधित जो बिल है उस पर भी सरकार जो है वो बातचीत करने के लिए तैयार थी। लेकिन सरकार ने यह भी कहा था कि अगर किसी किसान की कोई फसल को कोई खरीदता है तो उसके लिए जो एसडीएम के पास जाने की बात थी उसको हम कोर्ट तक के लिए संशोधन करने के लिए तैयार हैं। और सरकार इन 5 बिंदु पर तैयार हो गई थी, लेकिन किसान संगठन इससे इन पर मान नहीं रहे थे और इसीलिए जो है आज अमित शाह को कमान संभालने पड़ी है। और अब अमित शाह की तरफ से जो है इन किसान संगठनों को आश्वासन दिया गया है कि हम आपको एक नया प्रपोजल भेजेंगे, आप उस पर विचार कीजिए और फिर हम परसों बातचीत करेंगे। तो अब देखना यह होगा कि सरकार की तरफ से कल इन 5 बिंदुओं के अलावा कौन से नए बिंदुओं को ऐड किया जाएगा जिससे किसानों को मनाकर यह आंदोलन जो है वो समाप्त किया।
तो हिमांशु, बात अब ये है कि जो 5 बिंदुओं हैं, जो 5 बात हम कर रहे थे वो अलग है, अब उस पे ऐड किया जाएगा और कल किसानों को एक और प्रपोजल दिया जाएगा।
बिल्कुल, सरकार की तरफ से प्रपोजल भेजा जाएगा। यह हनन मुल्ला जो इस बैठक में थे उन्होंने कहा कि सरकार एक नया प्रपोजल भेजेगी, उस पर हम लोग कल चर्चा करेंगे, सारे किसान संगठन जो है वो चर्चा करेंगे और उसके बाद जो है हम परसों जो है फिर से सरकार के साथ बातचीत करेंगे। लेकिन हनन मुल्ला ये भी कह रहे हैं कि हमको उम्मीद बहुत कम है, क्योंकि जो बात सरकार पिछले 5 दौर की बैठक में कर रही थी वही बातें अभी भी कर रही थी। तो अमित शाह का ये की तरफ से आश्वासन दिया गया कि हम नया प्रपोजल लेके आएंगे, उसमें कुछ नए पॉइंट हो सकते हैं। अब देखना यह है कि सरकार क्या नया प्रपोजल देती है और जो नया प्रपोजल आएगा उस पर किसान संगठन मानते हैं या नहीं मानते और अपना आंदोलन को समाप्त करेंगे या जारी रखेंगे, ये तो परसों की बैठक के बाद ही तय होगा।
बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे जुड़ने का हिमांशु। थैंक यू देयर फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। सो दैट्स द बिग न्यूज़। देयर इज गोइंग टू बी नो मीटिंग बिटवीन द फार्मर्स एंड द गवर्नमेंट tomorrow at 11 a.m. The government has decided, which is the assurance given by Mr. Amit Shah, that we are going to give you a fresh proposal tomorrow, deliberate on it and come back onto the talking table day after. I want to bring in right now our National Affairs Editor Rahul Srivastav, who's joining us. Rahul Srivastav, it does seem 3 hours talks, nothing really came out of it. What we are getting to know is pretty much what was discussed last time was deliberated. At the end of it, it was the Home Minister who says, okay, hold it, I'm going to give you a new proposal tomorrow, deliberate on that and we'll take it from there day after.
Preeti, the government, realizing that the farm unions are taking a maximalist position, has created a situation in which it has said that those demands in black and white cannot be accepted of repealing the laws, but we can find a middle ground, a point of convergence. Now, in this meeting, my sources are saying that the government proposed amendments. Now, what the amendments are to the APMC Act, to the registration process in contract farming, in the stock limits as far as the essential commodities issue is concerned. And what the government is saying, that we are ready to give it, what Amit Shah told the farm unions, that the government is ready to give it in writing in public, that it is ready to create these amendments, one, and second, a written assurance on MSP, the government is ready to issue. This is what Amit Shah, Home Minister, in this meeting with the farm unions has offered. Now, farmers were saying, no, we are not agreeable to this. And that at that point, some farm unions, they broke ranks and they said that, okay, we are ready to listen to what you are saying and what you are doing, come up with proposals. Now, what Amit Shah's meeting eventually, it seems, has done is that if the government was looking to push those elements who were towing a slightly more middle path as far as the confrontation is concerned, it has given them some amount of tangible element to work upon. Now, Hanan Molla is a left leader, and his anger that the government is dithering is a clear sign that somewhere the government is indicating that it is trying to create direct links with those who are chasing the middle path. That, it seems now, is the government strategy. Even on Friday last, one day before the last round of meetings, nearly 20 odd organizations out of the 60 were in favor of accepting the amendments and calling us a strike to the protest. And it seems that the government now is working on a strategy on providing something tangible to those who are chasing the middle ground.
All right, well, let's see how things pan out. Appreciate you joining us, Rahul. Slipping into a quick break. News and updates continue on the other side.